I'm currently traveling in Thailand, and here's what's happened to me today. I arrived in Ao Nang this afternoon and it was pouring rain, and I was looking forward to a beach couple of days, and it's supposed to rain the next 3 days here, so I don't think I'm going to get that. So this is the main street of this tourist town. Totally deserted. The only things that are open are the tattoo studio over here, and then there's a place where they have marijuana down at the other end, and there's another place where you can get piercings, but most of the patios are closed, of course, and a lot of the little tourist shops that sell souvenirs, which I'm not interested in anyway, are also all shut up because it's raining, and they anticipate it will rain for the next 3 days. So it was a little disappointing, but it stopped raining this evening, and I came down to the local night market where there is everything to eat. Really inexpensive, smells so good, and it's just a festive kind of atmosphere. So what turned out to be kind of a disappointing afternoon has turned into a really great evening. One thing about traveling solo, in fact about traveling at all, is that you always have to roll with the punches. Sometimes things just don't turn out the way you thought they would, but often those little glitches turn into something that's really even better than what you anticipated.